Hey everyone, so to get started, we are going to need a bowl and a spoon or something to mix with. Of course, we're going to need our lip gloss base, and I'm using Versagel. And I tend to honestly just eyeball, because in order to fill up as many tubes as I feel like I need to, I just really just eyeball it. So yeah. This amount is going to fill up about 6-7 tubes. Okay, you guys, and for this clear gloss, I am going to be using some coconut oil. Now, this is organic coconut oil. I bought it from Amazon. I'll be sure to link down below everything that I used. And I'm just starting off with a few teaspoons. You don't want to start off with too much oil, because then you might make your lip gloss too thin. So you want to be sure to be careful with that. I'd rather start with putting just a little bit, and then you can gradually add in after you mix. You'll be able to see if you're at the consistency that you want. And I use only coconut. I do also have grapeseed oil and avocado oil, but I don't put those oils into my clear gloss because those are tinted, kind of greenish, and the coconut oil is the only one that's pretty clear. Also, you guys, I am using fractionated coconut oil because that one just stays in the liquid form and you don't have to worry about it becoming solid and then heating it. Okay, you guys, so we're gonna keep on mixing. All right, and look at that. You see how lumpy it is? No, we don't want that. We want it to cascade off the spoon, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and add in, this is about not the full tablespoon, but like 3/4 of it. And yeah, then we're gonna, of course, continue to mix. You see how I'm mixing? You see how hard I'm mixing? That's what you want to do, guys. Don't be gentle with it. All right. Yeah. That's just what you want to do. Like, I'm about to break the bowl. That's what you want to do. You want to break the bowl. It's like, no, I'm just kidding. Don't break the bowl, but don't be too gentle, you guys, because y'all will be mixing forever, I promise you. Okay, so now we're giving it another check, and you can see it's not cascading, guys. It's not doing it, okay? But you can see it looks super clear, which I'm very happy for. But you will get like the little bubbles in the gloss, but yeah, it's still not ready, you guys, so I'm just getting frustrated now. I'm just adding just a few drops of oil straight from the bottle. I'm not measuring anymore, because once I get to some consistency that I want, I just know what it is. So I just wanted to add in the measuring cups for you guys, just so you guys can really get a more accurate way to get to the same thing that I'm doing. But if you can just eyeball it, you'll be fine as well. Yeah, see, that's cascading. Yeah, that is exactly what we want, you guys. See, I see the thumbs up. That's perfect for me. This is what I was going for. All right, and now we're going to get our syringe. I got these 60 ml syringes, you guys, so that I won't have to continuously fill them up after each time I fill up one tube. So get the 60 ml tubes, you guys. All right, so now after washing the tubes out, what we're gonna do is we're going to get our pipette. And these are the 3 ml pipettes, I believe. And we are going to snip off the top and then snip off a little bit of the bottom. And the pipette is going to make it so much easier with filling up your glosses all the way to the top, from bottom to top, because adding the pipette on the end is going to allow for it to get all the way into the tube. See how I added it onto that. That is exactly what you guys want to do. Gonna pop that open. And I'm using my little spatula in order to scoop the gloss up and add it into the tube. You can also use your spoon. I think after a while I probably did start using the spoon. It's a little less messy. And you guys want to make sure to maintain a clean area while doing this, and make sure to always wear your gloves. And now I'm adding that part of the syringe back on, you guys, and we're going to press it down. All right, and now you're honestly ready to start. So yeah, now you guys can see what I was talking about with the pipe, adding the pipette onto there. And we're just going to squeeze. And I like going in that zigzag motion because it ensures that I fill up my tube completely. Look how cute it is. Okay, so the next step is to add the stopper. I'm just gonna put that on there and press it down. Make sure you press down completely. Don't be fooled. And then there goes the cap. And yeah, look, you got your first tube filled up. Okay, you guys, so now I'm just going to go ahead and put this on for y'all. And I'm so sorry, my lips are a little bit out of the frame. But yes, you guys, this is my gloss in crystal clear. If you'd like to support me, my Instagram is glossedbynd. Hit me up. Thanks for watching. Bye.